Did you know baking soda could change your life? Yes, you heard right. This pantry staple is more than just a baking ingredient, it's a versatile powerhouse with a wealth of surprising uses. From personal care to household cleaning, baking soda has carved out a significant role, proving itself to be not just economical, but incredibly effective too. So, are you ready to harness the power of this humble white powder? Let's delve into the 7 secret baking soda tricks that will turn your life around. Starting off at number 7, baking soda can be used as a natural deodorant. It's pretty straightforward. Mix a pinch of baking soda with water to form a paste, then apply it under your arms. This simple concoction can help neutralize odors, keeping you fresh all day. Plus, it's free from harsh chemicals found in many commercial deodorants. Baking soda is gentle on your skin, affordable, and readily available. So say goodbye to store-bought deodorants and hello to a healthier natural alternative. Coming in at number 6, baking soda can be a fantastic teeth whitener. Simply mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste and gently brush your teeth with it. This natural method can be a great alternative to commercial teeth whitening products which often contain harsh chemicals. Not only is baking soda more gentle on your enamel, but it's also cost-effective and readily available. So, why not give it a try? Get ready to flash those pearly whites with confidence. Halfway there with number 5, baking soda can work as a skin exfoliator. All you need is a pinch of baking soda mixed with water to create a paste. Apply this natural wonder to your face, gently massaging in a circular motion. This simple yet effective trick helps remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. With regular use, you'll notice a smoother, more even skin tone. It's a testament to the power of Mother Nature right in your kitchen cabinet. Enjoy radiant, youthful skin with this inexpensive natural exfoliator. At number 4, baking soda can be used as a hair cleanser. You might be surprised to learn that this humble kitchen ingredient can effectively remove product buildup from your hair. It's a natural, affordable alternative to commercial hair cleansers that often contain harsh chemicals. Not only does baking soda cleanse, but it also leaves your hair looking shinier and feeling softer. Just mix a tablespoon of baking soda with water, apply it to your hair and rinse. Say hello to shiny clean hair with this simple baking soda trick. Moving on to number 3, baking soda can help relieve heartburn. Heartburn is a common discomfort many of us experience. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, can neutralize stomach acid, providing quick relief. Simply dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drink it slowly. As a natural remedy, it's inexpensive and readily available. However, remember, it's a temporary fix and not a long-term solution. Experience immediate relief from heartburn with this quick baking soda trick. Almost there with number 2, baking soda can enhance your laundry. Imagine a world where your clothes come out cleaner, fresher, and brighter with every wash. That's the magic of baking soda. By simply adding it to your regular wash, you'll notice a significant improvement. It works wonders in removing odors and stains, leaving your clothes looking as good as new. Plus, it's a natural solution, making it great for you and the environment. Revamp your laundry routine with this secret baking soda trick. And finally at number 1, baking soda can be used to clean jewelry. Create a paste by mixing 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. Apply this gentle, non-abrasive cleaner to your precious pieces, then rub gently with a soft cloth or sponge. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. This natural method effectively removes dirt and grime, reviving your jewelry's original sparkle without damaging the surface. It's a simple, affordable, and eco-friendly solution. Bring back the shine to your jewelry with our top baking soda trick.